मैम
मैम
रिकॉर्डिंग
recording
स्टार्ट हो गया।
started. Okay. What is hydrosphere? What is hydrosphere? Girls, hydra means water. What is the
Ma'am,
meaning of hydra? Hydra means water and sphere means layer. What is hydrosphere? Hydra means water and sphere means layer. What it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is hydrosphere? Hydra means water and sphere means layers. Okay? It will be in liquid form. It will be in which form? It will be in which form? Liquid form. So solid rocks which were solid will be transformed into which form? That is liquid form. It means what? Hydrosphere. Got it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is included in the hydrosphere? That is ocean, sea, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. What is included? Ocean, sea, lake, pond, rivers, and streams. All these things are included in what? That is in hydrosphere. Got it? So, when you will be asked definition, when you will be asked what? Definition. So, what you will be writing? Are you getting what I am speaking, girls? I am not getting any of the answers from you.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Definition of hydrosphere. What you will be telling? Same as lithosphere. But from here, first you were writing liquid was transformed into solid form. Now what you will be writing? Solid form will be transformed into which form? Liquid form. So when a fireball was detached from the sun, what it was detached? Fireball. What is a fireball? Over here, what we are talking about fireball? Earth. When Earth is detached with the sun, it started, what happened? It started cooling down. You can see over here. Say you can see the part of the sun which has
Yes,
been
ma'am.
detached from the sun after the collision is Earth. It is in the form of fireball. Its stature cools down slowly. So what I am speaking of fireball. Fireball means over here is Earth. So Earth was detached from the sun. It times what? It started cooling down. So certain elements were transformed into which form? That is in liquid. Which form it started?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Liquid form. It started in the form
Liquid.
of liquid. So it is known as hydrosphere. What it is known as?
Hydrosphere.
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 So what it is filled with? It is filled with what? Water. It is filled with water. Okay.
Yes.
Where we can see in the lower part of the earth. Where we are seeing on the lower part on the surface of the earth. What we see? Water. That is
Water.
hydrosphere. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is hydrosphere? Who will tell me fast?
Hydrosphere is a layer of
What is hydrosphere? Tell me fast.
hydrosphere is the layer
It is a lower surface layer of the earth
earth,
which is filled with water.
water.
Got it?
Yes.
So what are included in hydrosphere? That is, it includes seas, oceans, lakes, ponds, rivers and streams. What is included? Hydro means water. So which are the layers of the water? That is ocean, sea,
Ocean,
ponds,
sea,
lake,
lake.
river and streams. Got it?
Yes.
Now, on the surface of the earth, the area of water is more than that of land. So, Earth's surface. We talk it over here. It is Earth. Yes. What we tell
Yes.
it? It's Earth. Upper layer is lithosphere. Upper layer is lithosphere. Lower
Yes.
layer it is called hydrosphere. What it is called?
Hydrosphere.
Hydro. Okay. So what it is telling this line? On the surface of the earth, the area of water is more than that of land. So this is the land part. Yes, we tell it this is a land part,
Yes.
lithosphere. So which is the more part? It is more of hydrosphere. Which is the more part? So this downward area is
Hydrosphere.
full of water. We talk it about of India. So over here we are having all the parts of water.
Yes.
I am showing you. Wait. See, this is our India. Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
this India. See, you can see over here is Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Yes, Arabian Sea. All this you have seen. So all this part is covered with water. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the lower part of the surface of the earth is more of hydrosphere. Got it?
Hydro- Yes, ma'am.
A water body in hydrosphere that carries a huge amount of water is known as the ocean. Now another one. What is ocean? Too much of water. Too much of water. A water body which is having too much of water is known as ocean. We tell it Indian Ocean. So too much of water is there, no? In Indian Ocean. Yes, Arctic
Yes,
Ocean,
ma'am.
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. How many oceans are there in our India? In our
Five
world?
ocean. Five ocean.
Yes, which are they?
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and
Only four oceans are there. How many? Four oceans, beta.
okay, okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. My mistake.
So, and having too much of water, huge amount of water, where it is there? In oceans. That's why it is called oceans. And main four oceans of our world is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Got it? And too much
Yes.
of salty water is there only. In ocean, which water will be there? Salty. So we can't make it food. From that we can't drink. Which type of water? That is salty water is there. Which water?
Salty water.
Yes. So it is not useful for our body. Got it? Next.
Yes.
These oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Oceans, and Arctic Oceans. Got it? Which
Yes.
oceans are there? Four. Which are they?
Atlantic Ocean,
Pacific
Arctic
Ocean,
Ocean,
Atlantic
Ocean,
Ocean,
Ocean.
Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean.
Very good. So this all the oceans are interconnected with each other. Yes.
Yes.
These oceans are connected with each other. Yes, love. So what it is
Yes.
called the water bodies which are close to the lens. The water bodies which are close to the lens are called sea. What they are called? Sea, bays, straits, gulf. What they are called? Sea,
Seas,
bays,
bays, straits, gulfs.
straits, gulf. These which are close to the land, which are close to the land. And what is an ocean? Ocean means huge amount of water is known as the ocean. Got it? What are sea? I can ask you in the short questions. Better explain me what are seas. Then you have to tell it. The water body which is close to the sun are known as sea, bays, straits, and gulf. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, valley with depth
Yes,
of
ma'am.
10 to 11 kilometers are located at their bottom. Now, what are a valley?
What, ma'am?
What are valleys?
Um,
which are deep in ground.
Yes, which are deeply built underground, which are built are called
Valley.
valley. How much kilometer? That is 10 to 11 kilometers. Got
11.
it? Now, the
Yes,
ocean bed has similar features like that of the surface of the earth. Now, what this line is telling, the ocean bed means ocean which is there, okay, and oceans which are there are very similar features. They are having similar features from the surface of the earth. Why they are similar? Because on the surface of the earth, which sphere is located? Hydrosphere is located. That's why their features will be similar. Got it?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
has high mountains, plateaus, vast plains, valleys, etc. Because everywhere, you, when plains are there, their water will be flowing, then only plains will be constructed. Yes? So, these features are similar as other. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
yes,
how
ma'am.
much percent of the amount of water is there on the earth? 97 percentage. How much percentage? 97 percentage. The total amount of the water is there on the earth. Next, one third part is having ice cap. What is one third part? Ice caps or glaciers. What is then? Ice caps or glaciers. But where we found ice caps and that all things? On Himalayas, mountains. Yes. Throughout the year, you are getting water over there. No. Yes or no,
Yes, ma'am.
girls?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one third part is ice cap and glacier and 97 part is total amount of water. Got it? Now
Yes,
some
Yes,
water
ma'am.
where it
ma'am.
is flowing, some water is flowing in the lakes, some are flowing in river and some are stored in the underground water in the interior of the earth. So what it is then? Some flow in the river and some is stored in the interior of the earth as groundwater. What is groundwater? Which is built with the water which is getting from the inside land, from the ground. Okay, so it is called groundwater. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. The amount of potable water is less. Potable means which we can drink, which we can help for cooking the food is less. Okay, fresh water is precious. What is fresh water means? It is a sweet water, not a salty water, which we are directly getting from the rain. From where we are getting? Directly from the rain. And some this ocean's water are salty. So should we use salty water? No, we don't use salty water. Why we are not using? Because our skin will be defected, affected. Yes, we can't drink salty water. You can drink salty water. Can you drink salty water, girls?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Next, the fresh water is required by living beings for their existence. So where fresh water is used for
Agriculture
living beings.
and living.
Yes, the moisture from rain, which is the main source of fresh water, comes from the oceans only. The fresh water which we are getting from the rains, where we generally get it from the oceans only. Got it? Now, valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, where they are found in the seas, where they are found, girls,
In seas.
seas.
In
Okay,
the
what
sea.
are sea? Yes, what are sea? Just now only I have told. What is the meaning of sea? Sea, the
Where
surface
lots
of
of
the
water
earth.
is there.
No, it's ocean. The water which is near to the land is called sea, strait, gulf. Just now only I have explained. Okay, so the
Yes,
sea
ma'am.
which are near to the land, that so we can find it water because somewhere else near the sea there will be factories, industries. Yes, then we can people are coming for catching the fishes because they are eating as a food. Yes, so waters is which are near to the land. As we have living organisms on the land, in the same way, the seas and oceans have aquatic life inside them. Aquatic means what? The organism which are living in the water. We talk it about fish, we talk it about octopus, okay, all types of fish where they are living in the water. So it is called aquatic life. Mostly where we are seeing on the seas and oceans. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the tremendous force of waves, tides, and currents of oceans are potential source for generating electricity. So, the water, force of waves. Waves means what? We tell it moja.
Yes.
This from this what we are getting? We are getting electricity. What we are getting?
Electricity.
Electricity, and these are useful as water waves. Got it? So you are clear what is hydrosphere?
Yes, ma'am.
What is hydrosphere? Clear, girls?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are oceans? What is sea?
Yes, ma'am.
Where it is useful? How many percentage of surface of water is there on the earth? How much water is snow and glaciers? How much portion? All these things are
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
How many
Yes, ma'am.
oceans are there?
4.
Where fresh
Four.
water is helpful?
But
Water
4
valleys. Yes,
underground.
all these things are clear.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what is vast plains mean?
Sorry, beta.
Vast plains means?
Vast plains means plains means where there is grass and land near the lands we found it. Okay, so too much of green color it is grass. You can see somewhere when you are going. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's vast lands plains. Sorry, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in hydrosphere?
No, ma'am. No
No.
doubt.
Okay, so one by one I can ask it. What are hydrosphere and that all? You will be answering.
Yes.
Then only I will be asking questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, first the definition of the hydrosphere. Sorry.
The hydrosphere is a liquid compartment on of the earth.
Okay, but I want perfect definition how I have explained. When a fire moth, that means earth, which is detached from the sun and scattered cooling down and transformed into liquid form is called hydrosphere. What you will be telling?
Yes.
Hydrosphere.
Okay. Explanation of the name hydro and sphere.
Hydro means water and sphere means a layer.
Layer. Okay. So it means what? The layer of the water is called hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
Okay. Where we can found where we can found hydrosphere in the which surface of the earth?
In the
On the which
lower
surface? Yes, on the
lower
lower
layer
surface of the earth.
earth.
Okay. What it includes? What is hydrosphere including?
Ocean,
Different names. What
seas,
will
ocean, lake,
Hydrosphere carry
river,
one by one you speak better? What it is including better? Anyone?
yes, ma'am.
Girls? Tell.
Hydrosphere covers of seas, ocean, rivers, lakes,
Ponds, rivers and streams.
and
Okay.
streams.
Which portion is more on the surface of the earth? That is land or water?
Land.
Land.
No,
Water, water.
water. Next. How much surface is the hydrosphere covering?
71%.
12.
71%.
71.
Okay. What are oceans?
Oceans. A huge carriers of water.
Yes. Huge amount of water body in hydrosphere which is carrying huge amount of water are called oceans.
Oceans.
How many oceans are there and name that oceans?
There are four oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean.
Okay. And these all are connected with each other.
Each
Yes?
other.
Okay. Which
Yes.
water bodies are close to the land and what are they called?
Seas, bays, straits, and
Gulf.
uh,
Okay. Are oceans or seas huge and deep on the earth?
no, not
Seas are not. Then what is that? Which are huge on the deepest earth?
valleys.
No. Oceans.
Oceans.
Next. What are valleys and how much kilometers they are in the depth, in the bottom?
10 to 11 kilometers.
10 to
Okay.
11
What are valleys?
valleys are underground water
You don't speak underground. You speak that they are bottom,
bottom
located at the bottom,
located at the bottom.
with depth of 10 to 11 kilometers.
10 to 11 kilometers.
Okay. Which are the uh, which are similar features which are same as the surface of the earth?
Mountains, plateaus, vast plains,
No,
valleys,
ocean bed.
etc.
Ocean beds. And where it is found in high mountains, plateaus, vast plains and valleys. Got it?
Valleys.
Okay,
Yes.
how many percentage is an ocean covering?
97%.
97%.
And
87%.
from that, how much percent is trapped with ice cap and glaciers?
Approximately 1.3%.
And how much percentage is sorry? Now some water where it is going in lakes, rivers, and interior of the groundwater. Okay. Is potable water less or more? Is
Is
potable water
less. Less.
less? Okay. Which is precious water, salty water or fresh water?
Fresh water.
Fresh
Very good.
water.
Why fresh water is required for the living beings for their existence?
Yes.
Why
Because
it
they
is
can't
required?
drink salty water.
Okay, and we are getting directly from the rain. Okay.
Rain.
Which things are found nearby the seas?
Mm. Ma'am, please repeat.
Salts. Salts.
Which things are found nearby the seas? In the seas.
Salt and
Chemicals,
fishes.
minerals, salt, fishes, etc.
Okay. Okay. As we are living on the land, which life are also there inside the seas and oceans?
Aquatic life.
Aquatic life.
Aquatic.
Okay. Okay. Now use of oceans. Where the ocean is used.
For generating electricity.
Okay. So clear with the topic hydrosphere.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Okay, tomorrow we will be starting with the topic atmosphere. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.